Today we're going to install our 3-point seatbelt system on a Yamaha drive. Included in our kit are the 3-point seatbelts, the receivers, the universal seatbelt bar, the shoulder bar, and hardware. To begin the installation, we're going to remove the factory seat back and the gutters from the cart. On the Yamaha drive, we won't be using the included brackets. Instead, we'll be centering the bar and drilling a 5/16 hole through the top support for our bolts. Now keep in mind the reference that the U faces the rear of the cart. We're going to install our 3-point seat belts using the supplied bolts. The receiver goes on one end and the remainder of the 3-point goes on the other. Next, with the 2 belts installed, we're going to install the 2 receivers with the tab through the center. Now with the belts installed, we're going to pull the shoulder pivot point a few inches above where the tension is to find where our top bar, shoulder bar will go. This is at your discretion. You can pull it as far as you like. Now with the top bar secured, we're going to secure the top of the 3-point harness. With the seat back reinstalled, that completes the installation. For other great videos, please don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.